Hi, I'm Janelle Dowley with Two Men in a Truck, and I'm up here in our Treasure Coast location. It's our new location. We also have a West Palm Beach Two Men in a Truck, and we have been using Rent-A-Bookkeeper with our bookkeeping needs for the last several years in our West Palm Beach location, and we have recently purchased the new location, and we're having Rent-A-Bookkeeper and Holly handling those QuickBooks accounts, and our expansion is going well, and we look forward to many years of partnership with them.